Hello everyone, my name is Dori O'Neill and welcome to my channel, Master Affiliate Profits Review. Today, this video is going to highlight Feature 4 of the Master Affiliate Profits platform, how to unlock the secret map benefit and double your income. I'm thrilled to share insights that can truly elevate your affiliate marketing journey. If you're ready to discover how to maximize your earning potential with Master Affiliate Profits, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, let me invite you to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any valuable insights and updates I'll be sharing. In a moment, I'm going to share with you the details of my exclusive free bonus package that will allow you to earn income from MAP within days after you enroll. But first, let's talk about the importance of follow-up in affiliate marketing. One of the most important and difficult skills to master as an affiliate marketer is the follow-up process with your enrolled leads and prospects. Consistent follow-up is key to converting leads into paying customers. The Master Affiliate Profits platform simplifies this with its built-in automated follow-up feature implemented in two crucial ways. First, the Master Affiliate Profits team conducts a comprehensive 90-day follow-up system. Second, the platform's automation feature can be programmed to help enrollers establish trust and rapport with their new prospects. Over time, this automation can also be used to market additional goods and services, creating a second income stream. With Master Affiliate Profits, the frictionless enrollment process makes it easy for potential affiliates to sign up. They can join for free and start earning a 25% commission while gaining access to a comprehensive training course valued at $600. However, the highest cause of failure in affiliate marketing is poor follow-up. Here's the great news. This isn't an issue with Master Affiliate Profits. John Thornhill and Omar Martin, two of the most accomplished affiliate marketers in the industry, suggest that you shouldn't have to follow up at all. They've developed a revolutionary 90-day automated marketing follow-up sequence that they conduct on behalf of each enrolling affiliate. The best part? When your leads make a purchase during this 90-day follow-up period, you automatically earn the commissions based on your membership level with Master Affiliate Profits. Now, let's address a common challenge. Many new marketers often lack the knowledge to set up this powerful autoresponder feature, and even more common is that new or even existing users don't know what secondary product to offer or how to market a secondary product using the Master Affiliate Profits platform. You may be wondering, how and why is Dori O'Neill qualified to suggest an add-on product or service for the Master Affiliate Profits platform? I'm happy to address this. I have spent over 50 years helping people like you acquire, own, and operate their own home-based businesses. The company that I owned and that I ran for parts of 2 decades, essentially Yours Industries, EYI for short, had 550,000 people enrolled from around the world. During that time, those individuals collectively sold at retail value more than $1 billion of products. I'm proud to say that many of those individuals earned life-changing income and attained financial freedom, with more than 24 earning over $1 million. That's why I believe I'm qualified to recommend Master Affiliate Profits and the secondary products and revenue streams that can be added to the Master Affiliate Profits platform. Now let's talk about why the Platinum level is so popular. As a Platinum member, you enjoy a remarkable 75% commission on your personally enrolled Master Affiliate Profits members' sales. Plus, you earn a 25% Tier 2 commission on the sales made by people you personally enroll. This means you not only earn on your direct referrals, but also on the sales made by those individuals, creating additional revenue streams effortlessly. Now, let's dive into the incredible bonuses you'll receive when you join my Master Affiliate Profits team. You'll get access to the $5,000 done-for-you YouTube viral funnel, expertly designed to help you drive traffic and generate leads. You'll also receive 2 done-for-you email sequences that integrate smoothly with your funnel, ensuring you're set up for success right from the beginning. Additionally, my exclusive 365 days of Master Affiliate Profits motivational emails will keep you and your new members inspired and engaged throughout your journey. Plus, you'll have access to live training sessions filled with actionable tips and strategies to maximize your affiliate marketing success, along with a free organic traffic bonus that expands your earning potential. To take full advantage of what Master Affiliate Profits has to offer, I invite you to take my no-risk free test drive today at yesshowme.com/map. Don't miss this opportunity to unlock the secrets of Master Affiliate Profits. Before we wrap up, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with any questions you might have, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your participation helps us create valuable content for you and our community. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you on the journey toward financial success with Master Affiliate Profits. See you soon.